What is AI? AI is a field of computer science dedicated to creating systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, where AI improving performance based on gathered data, reasoning, where AI using rules to reach approximate or definite conclusions, and self-correction, where AI refining algorithms to ensure the most accurate results. Now, what are the impacts of AI? The first one is in healthcare. The biggest impact of AI in healthcare is its ability to see the invisible, detecting life-threatening conditions like cancer or heart disease years before human doctor could see them on a screen. For example, oncology. AI screening for breast and prostate cancer is hitting 94% of accuracy, significantly reducing false alarm that can lead to unnecessary biopsies. As a result, the reduction of unnecessary biopsies is saving patients from physical trauma and reducing healthcare costs by billions globally. The impact is clear. AI is not replacing radiologists, it is removing human limit of fatigue and oversight. In today's world, all we need is AI to call the problem before it even started for our health.
Next, I would like to explain how AI makes learning more personalized and interactive. AI can adapt to each student's learning pace and provide instant feedback. This means students do not have to learn at the same speed as everyone else. If a student finds a topic difficult, AI can provide them with simpler explanations and more practice. If students understand quickly, AI can provide them with an advanced exercises to challenge them. For example, many learning platforms use AI to recommend exercises based on a student's strengths and weaknesses. Students can also use AI tools to practice their grammar, improve their writing skills, and understand difficult topics more clearly. The instant feedback helps them correct mistakes immediately and learn from them. This is especially helpful for students who need extra support outside the classroom because they can still continue learning anytime and anywhere.
Hello, my name is Lisa, and today I will talk about the negative impact about AI, which is overdependence. 2 years ago, I thought that AI was the best thing that ever happened to me. Whenever I have homework, I will use AI. Whenever I don't understand a certain topic, I will ask AI. Even when I need a script for my presentation, I will ask AI to think for me. It felt efficient. I was finishing my task faster than ever. But something changed during my final exam. There was no internet, no AI, just me and the question paper. And suddenly, I couldn't think. I struggled to form my own arguments, and I realized that I had become way too dependent. Instead of strengthening my thinking skills, I had slowly weakened them. This is a real impact of overdependence on AI. It reduces critical thinking, confidence, and also creativity. For instance, students who rely on AI to write essays may score well in assignments, but during exams, they may panic. In workplaces, employees who depend too much on AI system may struggle when the technology makes mistakes. All I could say is that AI is powerful, but it should support us, not replace us. Because if we let AI to think for us all the time, one day we might forget how to think for ourselves. That's all for me. Bye!
Environmental harm. Did you know that AI is harmful to the environment due to the massive energy consumption of data center, where all of the process of AI happen, which run on fossil fuels, contributing to high greenhouse gas emission and significantly climate change. Also, training and using large AI models requires intense electricity for computing and water for cooling, while the production of hardware creates substantial of e-waste. So the key environmental impacts also includes high water usage. Data centers require millions of liters of fresh water daily for cooling, which can threaten the water security for local regions and also can lead us to water shortage. Also, did you know that one ChatGPT query uses approximately 500 ml of water? It is very concerning. So the conclusion is, based on current analysis of artificial intelligence, which is AI, the technology is recognized as a transformative force with profound, double-edged impacts on society, the economy, and also our daily life. Conclusions generally agree that while AI offers immense potential for increased efficiency, innovation, and enhanced human capability, it simultaneously introduces significant risks regarding bias, job displacement, and ethical violations, and safety. It also affects our environment, so hopefully you guys will use it more effectively and also all of the causes and risks affected by it.